Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight startup error, black 3 non-startup. So here's what you're gonna do. Open Steam, go to your library, find the Lego Batman. You wanna click on properties, go to installed files, click verify integrity of the game files. And after it's done with that, it should say here all done. And now you wanna right click on it again, go to manage, go to browse local files. Once you're in here, you want to click here on Lego Batman LOTDK Windows 64 shipping. You want to right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and you want to make sure disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin is ticked. Click apply, click OK, exit out of this. Now after you've done that, you want to open your NVIDIA app. Click on drivers and make sure you download the latest and greatest driver. Also, if you have it already, you want to make sure to reinstall it and hopefully it will fix your issue. The next thing you want to do is click settings. You want to disable the NVIDIA overlay and also go to graphics or go to system and disable the G-Sync. If it's on, you want to disable it. After that, all of that, then the last thing you can try is open a new tab, type in Visual C++. And you want to click the first link, latest supported. Scroll down till you find the latest supported version. You want to click on 64 first, download it, and you want to open it and install it. I already have it. For you to install it, you want to just click next and install. And you want to do the same for the x86. Download, open it, and install it. After you've done all of that, the last thing you can try is go to your disk PC, and if you have your game files installed on the other drive that is not your main drive where your OS is installed, then you want to transfer the files, all of them, to the local disk C and then relaunch the game, and that should hopefully fix your issue. Because after, I don't know, when the Windows update, it like messed up the drives, where like if you have a game on like other drive that is not your main drive where your Windows is, it will crash the game and even like corrupt the drive till you restart the PC. And after you transfer all the files, you can restart your PC and then your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight startup error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.